Can I call you Rose?
Hi guys, good day everyone. We have here total of 250 pieces of pastil, and this is all for pamigay project natin. And 100 pieces is from Sir Fran J. Panagsagan, husband po ni Ma'am Kathleen De Leon. Birthday niya today, so happy birthday sir. Maraming salamat po. And 100 pieces is from Vibro Helmet Care. Sir, maraming salamat po. 50 pieces is from Sir Aikin. Sa Instagram siya nag-chat, so maraming salamat po. For now, tutulungan tayo ni Kuya Angel. Silang dalawa ni ate ang mamimigay dahil may pasok na po ako sa Sunday. ROTC po siya. Ayun, titingnan ko kung kaya ng katawan ko. Kakayanin naman. So, ayun. This is 250 pieces pastil. Tara, samahan niyo ako mamigay. Samahan niyo si Kuya Angel mamigay. Let's go.